So hi, it's James here from Camping Travel Store. Excuse the location, not a usual location in a field, but we're actually in the front garden. We've had someone on the Karsten tent group on Facebook ask if we can just help them do a short video on how to pack up the Opera. Well, if you're not a member of the group, why not join it? It's the Karsten tent group on Facebook. So once you detach the front wall, what we're looking for is plastic to canvas. So make sure you've got the plastic facing up of the windows, follow the line of the zip on both sides. It's quite a nice, easy and neat fold. And that ensures we've got plastic to canvas and fold over again. And that's the front wall neatly folded. So with that, you can either store it with a tent later, which we'll show you how, or it can be stored totally separately. Okay, so the front wall's dealt with. We've still got the 4 pegs, one in each corner. So what we need to now do is get it as nice and neat and as flat as possible. So starting on one side, pull the tent all the way over. So we're keeping it flat all the way along. Like that. And then we're going to pick it up, use your feet to sort of push the ground sheet in a little bit, lift it up and throw it over. We're then going to come the opposite side and just make sure it's nice and neat. Like so. Okay, so I've now removed the pegs, just tidied up the guy lines a little bit, and I've placed the bag that I know it's got to fit into at the end. So with the front wall, we can now lay this in the centre of the tent. As such. And then we're going to fold as much as possible this side over it. So we've got canvas to canvas. As such. And then this one to meet it. As such. Now the only thing we're going to do here is we're going to overlap this ground sheet onto the other one. So we're still canvas to canvas, but the ground sheet is just overlapping slightly. And again, just keep measuring it to within that bag at the end. And at the end here, we're going to place the tent into the bottom of the bag. And you know it's going to fit because you've got the width right. Okay, so when you come to roll it into the bag, with the clamps, make sure they are horizontal to the baseline. Everything's nice and flat, not that way on, not facing towards the tent bag, because that will just make the roll bigger. So it's worth spending a little bit of time. This first roll as tight as you possibly can. Use your knees if necessary, because this will save you all the time later on trying to fight with the bag if it's not rolled up tight enough. And the idea is we just roll it into the bag. That's what we're aiming for. And then you can just do the bag up over it. There we go. That's your Karsten Opera packed up. My name's James from Camping Travel Store. Thank you for watching.